Good.
He does go to school on Friday.
Okay.
And when he was going out of work at the time, I no longer working. I was a part of the Red Lobster shutdown.
Okay.
He's starting. Right?
Yeah, I've got her. Come on up, Miss Garner. Counsel, your appearance for Miss Garner. All right, Ms. Garner, you're going to plead guilty today? You understand your rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily? All right.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Wanted to make sure that it's a warrant. She had failed to appear.
I don't see any warrant. Nope, she looks good. All right, so son or daughter? What's his name?
I
Spell it.
AYLD.
And how old is he? How many days did he miss?
290 hours.
Yeah, something.
Okay.
10 hours.
Yeah, that's enough to satisfy me for facts. You agree, counsel? All right. Okay, so what was going on, Mom, and what's the plan so it doesn't continue next year?
So, what was going on last year, we were displaced out due to a flood. And,
I got you on Rosewood now. That good?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Yes. No, I mean, that's a good address. Right?
so we were displaced out of the home, and I look after my children as well as my parents. I have my dad who has Alzheimer's and my mom.
Yeah, bless you.
And, when we were displaced, we were moved to, Detroit.
Mm-hmm.
Some days that he missed, it was like first hour.
Yep. Yep.
So that's what happened, but then I also have an attendance record, and I see on Fridays he's missing when he's telling me he's in class, and I was working at the time.
Is Friday's virtual?
Yeah, Friday.
So he's not, yeah.
School is
Can you imagine a child that would fabricate to his mother? Right.
But I also had set up the school, last month that he comes to school on Friday.
Good.
He does go to school on Friday.
Okay.
And when he was going out of work at the time, I no longer working. I was a part of the Red Lobster shutdown.
Okay.
Staff was released. And my plan now was just to make sure I'm checking everything behind him.
Okay.
Each word in mind, I guess he's playing with me right now.
Okay.
Sure that he's there doing everything he has to do.
Okay.
And I see.
Okay. Okay.
I would not want to be frightened.
No.
Oh.
Yeah, because child is gonna be in big trouble. And the school would know how I am. I come, if you call me, I'm at the school,
Mhm.
and they tell me that you're always a parent that shows
Yeah.
up. So, child has a problem.
So you won't have an issue next year. Okay. All right. So 12 months, stay out of trouble. Don't commit any new crimes. All right. And no more attendance issues. We'll dismiss it in 12 months. Good luck. You're welcome so much.
Be kind of kind. Don't get arrested for something. Last time it was the. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Check out it.
So, what's an email from Andy on that HR?
And that's the morning docket. Look at the fail to appears from this morning's docket.
Came on Case, last name Case with a C.
Got it. Go ahead.
Family agreement, we have my client was Dave on Case, please state your name.
Keep on engaging.
Thank you.
So, I know we have a chance to pre-try this matter. We would like to avail ourselves of people's plea offer. I'll decipher that when I don't think tell what's going on, but the two original charges are both going to be
Yep.
dismissed. We're going to be entering a responsible plea to a $200 double parking ticket.
Okay. Is that the way you want to resolve this, ma'am? And when can you pay the 200?
We can payment plan set up, we could, Your Honor.
I won't do a payment plan on this kind of file. I'll give you time to pay, but I won't do a payment plan. Can you see the calendar?
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Because we don't dismiss the misdemeanors till we get to $200. So just tell me what you need.
What, the 21st? So we're right here now, so what?
I'm going to dismiss the B ticket and take the plea on
Like 8. We do a month, Your Honor, we get a month on that?
Yeah, 19th of June, 26th of June, tell me.
Excellent. And there, we explained, no penalty for early payment, so we need to knock out before that, great, but that we would appreciate the grace.
Yeah, always take early money. Okay, any questions? Have a good day.
You're done. You notice I'm full now.
In this portion of the courtroom proceedings, the judge first addresses a case involving Ms. Garner and concerns about her son's school attendance. Court records show that the student has accumulated nearly 290 hours of absences, prompting the court to review the situation. Ms. Garner explains that the family has faced several challenges, including caring for relatives and dealing with a move, which contributed to the missed school time. While the judge acknowledges these difficulties, attention is also drawn to absences that occurred during virtual learning days, raising questions about whether more could have been done to keep the student engaged. The discussion highlights the court's belief that consistent school attendance is essential and that parents must make every effort to ensure their children are participating in their education despite personal hardships. Later, the court hears a separate matter involving Ms. Case. This case is resolved through a plea agreement between the defendant and the prosecution. Under the agreement, Ms. Case accepts responsibility for a $200 double parking violation. In exchange, the more serious misdemeanor charge connected to the case will be dismissed once the fine is fully paid. The judge carefully reviews the agreement and grants the defendant approximately 1 month to submit the payment. The court also explains that no formal payment plan will be established, meaning the obligation must be satisfied before the deadline. The hearing serves as an example of how courts often resolve lower-level offenses through negotiated agreements that hold defendants accountable while avoiding the need for further legal proceedings. Overall, these two hearings demonstrate different responsibilities that individuals face within the legal system. One focuses on a parent's duty to ensure a child attends school regularly, while the other centers on fulfilling financial obligations to resolve a legal matter. In both cases, the judge emphasizes accountability and compliance with court expectations moving forward.